The problem with reloading triple G brass is that crimp that won't come into focus. Come on, you bastard. There you go, that crimp there. Makes the reloading of a new primer, once it's been sized and cleaned, really quite tricky. The way I get around this is I put a chamfering tool in my drill press, and then I give it a little tap, and yes, it does take some material off, but not to make the casing dangerous or the primer to be loose within the pocket, and then it goes in the tumbler. And I've been doing that for all my 308 triple G brass since day dot. That's quite effective.